So today I'm going to unbox the new GOOLOO GP4000 jump starter. This is nothing more than a giant battery pack. It's amazing how we've come from jumper cables, nobody having them, always needing a secondary car. Now, today's technology, we don't need these problems anymore. We're ready to go. This is gonna have a 4,000 amp peak current. That's huge because a lot of times your cold cranking amps on a car is about 850 to 1,000 depending on the size of your car. It will jump them, and also diesel engines up to 10-liter capacity. Some of the safety features it says it has here. You can see it easy to jump start, and it's got all of these features: short circuit, reverse polarity, temperatures. This seems like it's going to be a pretty good product. So let's get in here. All right, so let's get it opened up on the case. And the first thing we see is our warning label. And yes, please read this warning label. It's telling you don't use it if it feels like it's swollen or if it's overheated. It's going to give you all kinds of tips on when to charge, not allowing it to discharge. Please read this, okay? And then you're going to have your manual. It's always good to go through your manuals. Inside here, some of the accessories right off the rip. We've got USB-C to USB-C charging cable, it looks like. We've got a 12-volt outlet. Here we're also going to have USB to USB-C cable. And then we got the charging cables themselves. These will look familiar to everybody. So there I can see is going to be the attachment point. Looks like it's going to be pretty straightforward. You guys can't see it there, but there's a negative on the square, positive on the round. It's going to be no way to screw that up. First squeezes. Oh, wow. Okay. It's pretty good. The teeth, not sharp, but definitely solid. So they should grab the posts, the terminals, and always make sure to check how to properly jumpstart your car. Not all cars are built the same. Some have posts that they want you to jump off. Some have something a little bit separate from the fuse box. Please make sure you know how to jump your car. Okay, let's pull out the unit now. You see it's all wrapped up in the package. And we'll undo this. Caution, fully charge before use. Well, that's going to be a no-brainer. You don't want to go out there with half of a load on a car. And let's see what it looks like itself. So I want to say this is a couple of pounds. This is going to be your on-off power button. As you can see, it's saying it's got 4 bars in there, but we're going to charge it regardless. So that'd be your power indicator. Okay, so remember the cigarette lighter, right? Your outlet there to your outlet here. Plug that in. Now you should be able to operate anything that requires a cigarette lighter. 12-volt outlet. We do have the flashlight. All right, we got the flashlight here. There it is. So you hold down the power button. It'll turn the flashlight on. Turn the flashlight off. That was pretty simple. We also have a couple of USB charging ports here, outlets. So we got one that's going to go here to charge up. This is a higher speed outlet. Remember your blues and your whites. USB-C, I'm using the cables provided. You can see there, can charge up. And then over here is going to be for the cables themselves. No way to screw this up, guys. No way to screw this up. Put that in. You can see as soon as I did that, pulled that on. And then right now it's telling me it's correct polarity. So we're good to go there. If there's a problem, that'll come up and let you know. There's another little LED right here. So let's take that out. And that's pretty much it for the unboxing. So I'm going to demonstrate how you would hook this up. But remember what we said earlier. Okay, there's only one way it can go in. Square and round, square and round. As soon as you plug it in, watch the power. Power is going to turn itself on. It's going to let you know the battery strength. Okay, you've got your red for positive, your black for negative. But every vehicle, they recommend you to jump it differently. Check with your manufacturer so that you don't do it the wrong way. In this case, we have a jumping post right here from GM. And then there's the red battery terminal. So it's pretty simple how we're going to do this. So we're going to take the red jumper cables, connect it to the battery. There it is on that post. Then we'll take this, connect it to the ground. Make sure they're on there solid. There's a little light here. It'll tell you that your polarity is correct. As long as that's good to go, then you're ready to go. Start the car. Car fires up. Come over. Disconnect the ground first. Then the positive. And you're solid, good to go. And as you can see here, once I disconnect, the green light goes off. That's a safety built in there, so you don't accidentally bump these things and start sparking all over the place. Then once you're done, everything will tuck away nice and neat in the carrying case. Take that, zip it up, throw it in the back of your vehicle, whether it be your trunk, your hatch, or what have you. It's out of the way and ready for the next time you need it. I would also recommend checking it every 3 months if you haven't used it, just to make sure you have enough battery to keep it charged.